This is a true story. In 1978, pilot Frederick Valentich was flying over the Australian coast when he radioed air traffic control with a trembling voice. He reported a massive aircraft hovering 1,000 feet above him. He described it as long, metallic, and pulsing with a strange green light. Air traffic control checked their radar. There was nothing else in the sky. They told him the airspace was empty. Valentich replied, "It's not an aircraft." Suddenly, his engine began to sputter. He said the object was orbiting him, toying with him. Then, a loud metallic scraping sound blasted through the radio. The transmission cut to static. Despite one of the largest searches in history, not a single piece of debris or a drop of oil was ever found. The official file remains open. His final words still haunt the archives. "That strange aircraft is hovering on top of me again. It is hovering, and it's not an aircraft."